Hi beautiful people, welcome back to another video with KK Thompson. Today I want to show you how I make my Christmas fruit cake, otherwise known as black cake, rum cake, wedding cake. So today I am making a 1 pound cake. What that mean when they say 1 pound cake? So most of the ingredients are 1 pound, like 1 pound of butter, 1 pound of sugar, 1 pound of flour. Okay, and as you can see, I put my 1 pound of butter with my 1 pound of sugar and I cream them. Okay, it's gonna take a little while for creaming, so you have to just, if you have the hand mixer, you mix, or I put it here in my standing mixer and I just allow it to mix. From time to time I will go in and I will scrape down the side, because to all the mixer mix, most of it is going to be on the side. So I go ahead and do that. So while it is creaming, and you would know the number that you cream on, while it is creaming, then I will go ahead and prepare my 1 pound of flour. So what I'll do, I normally sieve my flour. So I will sieve. You can sieve your flour 2 times, or you can sieve it just once. That's fine, but the more you sieve, the lighter the flour gets. So I usually sieve mine 2 times. I have 1 teaspoon and 1 tablespoon. So I'm going in with 1 teaspoon of grated nutmeg. Okay, and I'm going in with 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and I will go in with 1 tablespoon of mixed spice. I'll also put 1 teaspoon of salt, and I will sieve that to the flour, and then I will mix everything together to combine properly. So after that, I will go ahead and crack my eggs, and I'm using 8 eggs in this mixture. What I normally do, I would crack the egg in 1 container before I put it in the big container, because you know, eggs sometimes you might just buck up on a bad egg. So the safe thing to do is to crack it in a small container and then put it in a larger container. So I will go ahead and crack all 8 eggs and come right back. So these are my 8 eggs. I will set that aside in the meanwhile, and then I will check on the mixer. Okay, so guys, this is where I want to say thank you to all my subscribers for coming through. All those that are watching that have not yet subscribed, please do well to subscribe to my channel for more tutorial like these. Please like, share, and leave a comment in the comment section. If there's a question that you need to ask, you can go ahead and leave it in the comment section as well. So guys, here are my containers that are already butter and flour, and remember that these are orders. So I am just showing you how I do my Christmas cake. This is for orders only, but I will do one just to show you how it looks at the end. Okay, so here I am checking to see if my butter and sugar is fully creamed. And here now is the time. It is okay. So what I'm going to do, I am going to put in my eggs, and what I'm doing, I'm going to put them in one by one. Okay, 8 eggs one by one, and after each egg I will put a tablespoon of flour. This help the butter from not curdle. Okay, it help the butter not to curdle. So watch the process as I go. Here now guys, I am putting in my vanilla, I am putting in my rose and almond, and I am putting in my lime juice. The lime juice help with the rawness of the egg. Okay, you can use lime zest, but I don't have any lime zest, so I am using my lime juice to take away the rawness from the egg. Here it is finished now, everything mixed and finished, and I'm going to put it in a bowl to continue the mixing, because the mixing will not be done in this container. Guys, here you put in the browning. Usually I use 1 bottle of browning, but whenever you soak the fruits with the red label wine, you don't need 1 bottle, you only use a half bottle.